Dr. Ibrahim Duwaijal Sabah, Honorable Governor of Urbania, Your Excellency Ambassador Eloy Fernandez of the Bolivarian Republic of Venezuela, Mr. Ram Ratan, Deputy Chief of Mission of the Indian Embassy, distinguished guests, council members, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Abraham David, and as the chairman of the Kuwait India Business Council, I extend very warm and cordial welcome to you all. I request the man who has changed the very face of the consumer retailing in Kuwait, Mr. Ajay Goyal, Group General Manager of City Center, to present a bouquet to His Excellency Sheikh Dr. Ibrahim Duwaijal Sabah. Now I request Mr. N.R. Sambat, our Senior Council Member and General Manager of Kuwait India International Exchange Company, to present a bouquet to our guest speaker, His Excellency Eloy Fernandez, Ambassador of Venezuela. Kuwait India Business Council, KIBZ, a non-profit organization of India and Kuwaiti businessmen and professionals, was formally constituted in February 2002 with the aim of proactively promoting bilateral trade and investment. The Council has been formed to facilitate the quantum jump in business between Kuwait and India and endeavors to provide timely and meaningful information about business opportunities, as well as promote direct contacts between Kuwaiti and Indian businessmen. The Council, through various seminars and meetings, offers a vibrant forum to discuss various business issues and opportunities and pursues strategies which favorable impact with bilateral business. KIBZ is affiliated to Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry, FICCI, through an agreement of cooperation and is registered with the Indian Embassy, Kuwait. FICCI, India's apex industry organization, was established in 1927 and today has a membership of over 500 chambers of commerce, trade association and industry bodies, and has offices in London and Washington. Mr. Jagdish Tytler, the Indian Central Minister of Overseas Indian Affairs, is the chief patron of KIBZ. The vision of the Council is strongly anchored in the belief that business relations between the two traditionally friendly countries, Kuwait and India, with deep-rooted links existing even prior to the discovery of oil, will reach Himalayan heights. The Council encourages Indian businesses to explore opportunities in Kuwait while providing a window to India to Kuwaiti business. A unique aspect of this Council's membership is the presence of many Kuwaiti citizens and others with Indian interest. A singular achievement of the Council was the preparation of an agenda for development which was submitted to the United Progressive Alliance Chairperson and Congress President Mrs. Sonia Gandhi by KIBZ Secretary General Mr. Marcos Williams during a one-to-one meeting in July 2004. The Council